Hello students, let's study chapter 3 Fiber to Fabric of class 6 science, which is going on in the schools also nowadays. And some part of this is in 7th standard also and 8th standard also. So you have to understand that fiber makes the fabric, which you have already studied from the previous videos, that fabrics consists of fibers. Okay, we have separated the fibers from the fabrics. So you have to understand now yarn to fabric. Yarn, we have taken out the yarn from the fabric, and yarn is how it is converted to fabric. We have to understand that. Yarn means the thin threads which you have taken out from the fabrics. So yarn is converted to fabric by two processes. One is weaving and another one is knitting. So today we will cover this part, that is weaving part. In weaving, what is done? Here ma'am has shown you one paper weaving also, paper weaving activity, which is given in your science book. Here you can see there is paper weaving done, and related to paper weaving, there is one video in my channel, and you can go to that and you can understand how this paper weaving is done. Okay students, now yarns are arranged together to make a fabric by the process of weaving. So as in this paper weaving, you can see two different strips were taken. Two different strips of papers of two contrast colors were taken, and they were arranged together. That you can clearly understand from that video how this was done. So here, as two different strands were taken or two different paper strips were taken, same way different yarns are taken and woven together to make the fabric. Now in this there are two different yarns are arranged together. The yarns which are arranged in the longitudinal way, lengthwise, they are known as wrap. Okay, wrap is taken lengthwise, and actually for weaving there is a frame used by the weavers, and on this the wraps are arranged first. They are arranged lengthwise, and then the breadthwise or widthwise, the yarn which is used, it is known as weft. So weft is woven in between the wraps by taking it up, then down, then up and down like this. A pattern is created, as you can see from this paper mat. So that way the weaving is carried out. Weaving is done on a frame in which these yarns are arranged and then they are woven together. So all of you can do the paper weaving activity by seeing the other video, in which every step is shown to you clearly. Now, machines which are used for weaving. This type of weaving which you have done by hand on the paper, same way weaving is done by hand on a machine which is known as hand loom. In the hand loom, the wrap and weft is arranged on the loom, and then weaving is done. But it takes more time as it is done by hand. By a laborer it is done, and generally it is done in the villages, in the houses or in the backyards, and it is actually a small scale industry run by many people in India. Now fabrics are not very smooth, and generally they are rough and they are very expensive. Handloom factories and handloom mills are there, and even on small scale, as I have told you, people do in their houses, and handloom shops are there in many of the cities. But the clothes which are available, some saris are sold in handloom and many other clothes are available, and they are generally expensive than the clothes which are woven by Machine loom. So we should understand about machine loom. What is that? Machine loom, it is also known as power loom. In machine loom, time taken is less as it is run on electricity. Only the laborer has to switch on the electricity or has to switch on the machine, and then it will run on its own. So number of laborers needed for machine weaving is very less. So as such the labor cost will reduce. So fabrics are cheaper. They are uniform also because they are woven by machine. So no human error occurs in weaving by machine. So machine loom is better than, or weaving by machine loom is better than weaving by hand loom, because it takes less time, it takes less labor, it is more efficient, and the clothes are cheaper, and more number of clothes can be made in the same amount of time. So all the big industries, textile factories, they are using the machine looms. So for this, seeing the pictures of these, that is machine loom and hand loom, you can see from another video which is there in this channel, where you can understand how does a hand loom look like, how does a machine loom look like, and in another video you can understand the paper weaving activity. So I hope students today the process of weaving is clear to you. Now to understand the process of knitting, there is another video. From there you can see how knitting is done, and what is the difference between weaving and knitting is also told in that video. So I hope students you are understanding the chapter fiber to fabric very well. And if there is any query regarding these topics which ma'am is covering, like today it's yarn to fabric by weaving, so you can ask in the queries in the channel, and you can subscribe to my channel, and then you can press the bell icon to get the notifications on whatever videos are put. Videos are related to the topics which are being taught in the schools. So I hope the topics are getting clear to you by my videos. So thank you. Have a nice day. Stay fit and stay at home.